Okay, so it's been 2 years, guys. 2 years of radio silence, and Justin Baldoni picks this week, days after Blake Lively's lawyers filed to collect $7.5 million from him to post an emotional video with his wife talking about healing. God, the timing of it all. We need to talk about it. Welcome back to Euro Unplugged, and thank you so much for your continued support so far. For anyone just tuning in, this all goes back to It Ends With Us, December of 2024. Blake accused Justin of sexual harassment and retaliation on set. Justin, of course, denied it, came back swinging with the $400 million defamation lawsuit against Blake, Ryan Reynolds, and others that got dismissed in June of 2025. In May of 2026, the two sides quietly settled, no money changing hands, nobody admitting anything. Sounds tidy, right? I think there was something, you guys, because the fight over legal fees is still very much alive. On Wednesday, July 8th, Justin posted this nearly 5-minute video with his wife Emily, and they open with him basically going, "We have had so much to say and we didn't say it." And Emily, she doesn't just sit there and just do the grateful wife thing. She says their gratitude doesn't negate the injustice and the pain they have felt. She says they have had to wrestle with how something like this could happen, disguised as a fight for women. That's a line, ladies. That's a line. And that's not an accident. And then Justin says something that I think it's the actual headline here. He talks about the painful things that have been spoken into existence over the last 2 years that created noise, and they didn't want to add to any of it. I think he's still playing the cold dad card and he doesn't want to get this messy. I think so, guys. And now let's connect some dots because context is everything. This video didn't drop in a vacuum. It dropped literally days after court filing showed Lively's team is going after Baldoni's Wayfarer Studios for close to $7.5 million in attorney fees, plus over $500,000 more in cost. A judge already said no to punitive damages, but yes to Blake pursuing fees under a specific California law meant to protect people from exactly the kind of lawsuit that Justin had filed against her. So guys, is this healing video genuine? Maybe. People are allowed to actually be exhausted and traumatized, but is the timing also extremely convenient for shaping public sympathy right before a field ruling? I'll let you sit with that for a moment. I want to highlight Emily specifically because she's doing a lot of work in this video. She's the one who says the word trauma. She's the one who frames this as something that happened to their family. She's the one who says the truth has spoken for itself.
Immense gratitude for so many things and so many people and so many things that have happened to us.
Gratitude has saved us.
It has. And I also feel that it's important as we say that, in that gratitude, it doesn't negate the injustice and the pain that we have also felt in the last few years. And we've had to wrestle with so many things and try to understand so many things. Like, how could something like this even...
You guys, that's a wife that's stepping in front of the cameras to humanize her husband after 2 years of him being painted as the villain in one of the messiest Hollywood legal wars we've seen. Smart, sympathetic, calculated. Could be all three at once, babes. So here's what I want to know from you. Do you think this video was genuine healing or just a PR move right before the big money ruling? Drop it in the comments because I already have some thoughts and I wanted to see if we are aligned. Like this if you have been following the saga since day one, and subscribe because trust, there is so much more to unpack before this is actually over. Thank you so much, guys. Continue supporting your girl Yura. Love you. See you on the next.